Let's take a few minutes and let's review the charts for last week, and then what we'll do is we'll get into what we think of next week here. Last week was a very, very nice week for the market, but it tricked a lot of less seasoned traders, we should say. What I mean by that is the pauses in between the expansions really tested the newer traders' patience. If you were one of these traders, what I want you to do is I want you to figure out, why did I get impatient and not wait for the moves? What we can see here over last week is nothing but bull run price action. We identified two complete, perfect RBIs on the daily chart, which gave us the intraday bias of long-only material. Starting off with the February 5th daily bar, giving us a beautiful push above 76 as a buy signal. And then we get another entry on the February 8th signal that said, for Friday, make sure that we're long only. I even purchased a call with the anticipation of it moving higher. I have it drawn on here, but you can't see it. You can see it on the 4-hour chart. I have a nice arrow saying up. We're going higher. There's nothing stopping this market from moving higher because there's no data above it. What I mean by that is, if you look at the daily chart, you can see extensions, projections, forecasting. Higher is the trap. The pundits are pushing this market higher. Now, everybody says, yeah, but it can fall, it can fall. Folks, I want to assure you, we will see when it's going to fall. We will see the reversal. There's two ways that the reversal is going to happen. The first way is it's going to go up 3 or 4% on heavy volume, and then it's going to end the day down 3 or 4% on heavy volume. The other way is it could open 100 points lower and never look back. That's about the only two ways that's going to happen. Until that happens, first of all, it doesn't matter if it happens, because we're only just going to trade the way that we trade, whether it does or does not happen. Or what we want to do is we want to not worry about which way it's going to go or which way we think it's going to go. What we're going to do is we're going to remove all of that loss of mental bandwidth, and we're just going to focus on, okay, do I see the setups in between the levels that we're trading? I want everyone to focus on that this next week. If I point out in the live trading desk that this is going to be chop, I want you to understand that over the last 2 weeks, you have fully understood and seen what chop actually is. We're talking wide range chop. Just enough range to sucker in the traders that believe that this is the next push, up, down, whatever it is. As I said, the pundits are pushing this higher. Now, let's get into next week. Let's make sure we're prepared for next week. There's a bunch of news. Let me pull it up. So we have very, very important information. PPI on Friday, and Tuesday is CPI. All hands on deck Tuesday. We want to be ready for those. Now, the way that we're going to trade the news is we're going to wait for the news to come out. We're going to wait for it to normalize, and we're going to wait for our pattern to repeat between the levels. We're going to trade to and from the levels. I hope everybody's preparing for this week. We'll see you in the room.